Today, I will share the recipe for meat biryani. We are going to prepare in a very easy way. If you like this recipe, then do like and subscribe to the channel. Now we need to prepare yakhni. We have taken a pressure cooker for that. Add the water to the cooker. With this, add 1 tablespoon coriander seeds and fennel seeds and some whole spices. We need 2 bay leaf, 1 cardamom, 2 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon piece, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. So add all these. With this, we need 1 medium-sized garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now add meat to it and cover it. Take the first whistle on high flame, then turn the flame low for 20 minutes. Now let's prepare rice. We soak the rice for 30 minutes. On the other side, yakhni is ready. So let's open it. If you are loving the recipe and are new to the channel, so please do like and subscribe to the channel. And you will be the first one to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Take 1 big size onion, 1 tomato, and 4 or 5 green chili, and cut them in slices like this. Now take a vessel and add oil to it. Here we will add a 1-inch cinnamon piece, 2-3 cloves, 1 red cardamom, 8-10 peppercorn. Here we have taken onion flakes. Let's golden fry the onions. So you can see the onions have turned golden. Onions got fried well. With this, we just have to add Bade of yakhni, and the garlic we added in yakhni. Now fry it for 5 minutes. Add roughly chopped tomatoes. So after adding tomatoes, now we will add green chili. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and fry the yakhni well. Add salt, 2 glasses of yakhni water, and 1 glass of pure water. As you know, I didn't add cumin in starting, but you can add in a starting. So here I have added cumin. So we have added soaked rice to it. We will put the rest on dum. It means if we add too much water, the rice will be so soft and bad. Add garam masala. Mix everything well. And cover it. We left the biryani to cook on a high flame. You can see the holes mean water has soaked now. Let's put it on them. The flame is on low mode. Now add 1/2 spoon orange color. Mix the color in some water and then add. We have turned off the flame. So do try and let me serve it. And let me know in the comments, how did you like this recipe? I hope you would have liked this recipe. If yes, then do like and subscribe to the channel. See you with one more recipe.